Dear students, welcome back to Star Media channel. Today's video is very important questions and answers for English medium students related to August 15 Independence Day. Don't forget to subscribe this channel and enable the nearest bell icon. Let us start the questions. First question is, when was India got freedom from British rule? Answer, 1947 August 15. Second question, in which year was the English East India Company formed? Answer, AD 1600. Next question, when was the first uprising against the English East India Company's rule? Once again, when was the first uprising against the English East India Company's rule? Answer, 1857. Next question, where was the first uprising against the English East India Company started? Answer, Meerut in Uttar Pradesh. Next question, who is the founder of Indian National Congress? Answer, A.O. Hume. Full name, Alan Octavian Hume. Next question, in which year was the Indian National Congress formed? Answer, 1885 December 28. Next question, who was the first president of Indian National Congress? Answer, W.C. Banerjee. Full name, Umesh Chandra Banerjee. Next question, who was the first woman president of Indian National Congress? Answer, Annie Besant. Next question, who was the first woman president of Indian National Congress from India? Answer, Sarojini Naidu. Next question, who was the first president of Indian National Congress from Kerala? Answer, Chetur Shankaran Nair. Next question, who was the first secretary of Indian National Congress? Answer, A.O. Hume. Who is the author of the song Sare Jahan Se Acha? Answer, Muhammad Iqbal. Next question, where was the first session of the Indian National Congress held? Answer, Bombay. Next question, who is known as the father of India? Answer, Mahatma Gandhi. Next question, who said, Swaraj is my birthright and I shall have it? Question once again, who said, Swaraj is my birthright and I shall have it? Answer, Balagangadhar Tilak. Next question, who wrote India's national anthem? Answer, Rabindranath Tagore. Next question, who set up the Indian Independence League? Answer, Rash Bihari Bose. Next question, who gave the title Mahatma to Gandhi? Answer, Rabindranath Tagore. Next question, where was Jallianwala Bagh massacre take place? Answer, Amritsar in Punjab. Next question, when did Jallianwala Bagh massacre take place? Answer, 1919 April 30. Next question, who ordered Jallianwala Bagh massacre? Answer, General Dyer. Next question, who is known as Iron Man of India? Answer, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Next question, who is known as Iron Woman of India? Answer, Sarojini Naidu. Next question, whose famous motto was, give me blood and I will give you freedom? Answer, Subhash Chandra Bose. Next question, when was Mahatma Gandhi born? Answer, 1869 October 2. Next question, who raised the national flag of India on 15th August 1947 at Red Fort? Answer Jawaharlal Nehru. Next question. Which leader was known as Netaji? Answer Subhash Chandra Bose. Next question. Where was the civil disobedience movement launched in 1922? Answer Bardoli. Next question. Who led Quit India movement? Answer Mahatma Gandhi. Next question. When did Quit India movement was started? Answer August 1942. Next question. When was the first non-cooperation movement started in India? Answer 1920. Next question. Who founded Indian National Army? INA. Answer Subhash Chandra Bose. Next question. In which year was the Indian National Army formed? In which year was the Indian National Army formed? Answer 1943. Next question. When did the Salt March started? Answer 1930. Next question. Who was the first Governor General of Independent India? Answer Louis Mountbatten. Next question. Who was the Congress President at the time of Indian independence? Answer J.B. Kripalani. Next question. Who was the Governor General of India at the time of independence? Answer Louis Mountbatten. Next question. Who was the last British Governor General to rule India? Answer Lord Mountbatten. Next question. Who was the Governor General of India when the first war of Indian independence broke out in India? Answer Lord Canning. Next question. Name of the commission which was appointed to probe Jallianwala Bagh massacre. Answer the Hunter Commission. Next question. When did Partition of Bengal happened? Answer 1905. Next question. Who announced Partition of Bengal? Answer Lord Curzon. Next question. Who is known as Kerala Gandhi? Answer K. Kelappan. Next question. Who is known as Frontier Gandhi? Who is known as Frontier Gandhi? Answer Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan. Next question. Who announced Partition of India? Answer Louis Mountbatten. Next question. Who was the last Governor General of India? Answer C. Rajagopalachari. Next question. Who was the first Prime Minister of India? Answer Jawaharlal Nehru. Next question. Who was the first President of India? Answer Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Next question. Who is known as the political guru of Mahatma Gandhi? Answer Gopalakrishna Gokhale. Next question. Who designed national flag of India? Answer Pingali Venkayya. Next question. Which is the national anthem of India? Answer Janagana Mana. Last question. Which is the national song of India? Which is the national song of India? Answer Vande Mataram. Dear students, now the questions are over. The questions which I present here are very important. So don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you.